haven't showed you guys in the last couple of days. I haven't showed you. Tomorrow I'll come over here during the day and I'll show you better during the day what it looks like. This is the construction site that they've been working on for the past 2 months, maybe 3. But as you can see, they got that now. Now they have a whole bunch of rocks down there. They got the cement columns in. And they got a ladder. Look at that, they got a ladder hosted above on a crane. I've never seen that before at a construction site. Maybe they do that. Maybe that's what they do. I don't know. But I've never seen a construction site hosting a ladder in the air on a crane at the end of the day. Like I said, maybe they do that. I don't know. But I'll show you tomorrow, like I said, during the day. Peace out.